Hi, this is Sheh. This video is for the homework 10, the third question of the number 1. The Poisson impulse. The Poisson impulse is defined as z of t equal to derivative of x of t equal to limitation var epsilon close to 0 multiplied by y over t. This means is from the previous we talked about the y of t. This one, y of t. The var epsilon is close to 0 but not 0, and then this means is we look into each of the x of t plus epsilon, and then it means if this one's almost to 0, so t minus x of t minus x of t, you become impulse function. So this is how it look like. So when the original y of t equal to epsilon var epsilon x t plus var epsilon minus x of t, so if this one close to 0, so and then this we become x of t minus x of t, so the whole thing will become like impulse. This is a Poisson impulse. So on the other hand, the expect value of y will become this is the original expect value of y, and expect value of y of t equal to expect value y of x of t plus var epsilon minus x of t divided by var epsilon. So as before we talk about this one, the answer will become 1 over var epsilon lambda var epsilon. So this is we move this one, so we become lambda. This lambda is for the y of t. So when z of t, because z of t there is no z here, there is no any var epsilon here, so the expect value of z of t will become lambda. This is the z of t's expect value. Okay, how about autocorrelation? The autocorrelation is the autocorrelation of y is ry t1 t2. That's previously we got and then this for the y of t. So as what I mentioned before, this will become very small value, so we don't need to take care about this one. So we just focus on the first, these two. When var epsilon become very, very, very small, and then but it's still there, it is not close to 0, so it means here has a very, very small changes on the lambda. So for the autocorrelation, Rz of T1, T2 will become limited var epsilon close to 0. Autocorrelation y of T1, T2 will become lambda square plus lambda delta T1 minus T2, and this will look like this way. Okay. The y is Rz autocorrelation Rz T1 T2, and there's a T domain. So there's a lambda square. There's a lambda square plus lambda delta T1, T2. So when the overlapping is happen, this area is 1. This area is equal to 1. So when the overlap is happen, this impulse will become this. That's my explanation. Thank you.